Hey everyone, this is AJ from Mobius. Today we're going to take a look at the Mobius M210 and M60 mills, designed from the bottom up specifically for grinding cannabis. These rotor-style, continuous throughput mills grind cannabis flowers or trimming for use in pre-rolls, fresh frozen processing, and oil extraction. The M210 is a powerhouse with a large milling drum that boasts a processing capacity of 200 plus pounds per hour. The M60 is its tabletop counterpart and, while much smaller in size, is still capable of cranking out up to 20 pounds an hour of milled product. The secret to the Mobius mills is their low rotor speed, which means that no heat is generated during the grinding process, ensuring that the integrity of your product remains fully intact. Mobius mills can be used both for milling and mixing functions, and each machine comes with several interchangeable screen options to customize your particle size output, ranging from coarse chunking to ultra-fine grinds. The tool-free design allows the operator to disassemble and reassemble the machine in seconds for simple, easy cleaning. With fully stainless steel construction, the mills are GMP ready and designed to meet health and safety regulatory requirements. To learn more about the Mobius M210 and M60 mills, please visit mobiustrimmer.com.